So in this video we will talk about the power set of a set, and we will see how many number of elements are there in the power set of any set. So let us say we have a set S. The power set of a set S is a set of all subsets of S. So for example, if S is A, B, 5, power set of S is A, B, 5, AB, B5, A5, and then AB5, and then a null set. So this is by definition that null set is a subset of every set. Okay, so now the question arises that if we have a set S which has n elements, so how many elements will the power set of S have? Okay, so how to approach this problem? Now let's say we have a subset of S, maybe we call it T, which is a subset of S. Okay, now this T, and we can create n spaces here. Okay, now out of all the n elements of S, this has n or fewer elements from the set S. But now let's say the first element of S. Now it either can have the first element of S or cannot have the first element of S, right? So there's no third option. So if it has the first element in S, then we write 1 in the first position. Otherwise we'll write 0 in the first position. Similarly for second elements, if it has the second element of S, if T has the second element of S, then we'll write 1 in this position, otherwise 0. So let's say we don't write it here. And similarly we repeat this procedure for all the elements up till the nth place. So we assume that maybe nth element is in C. Now the question comes, how many spaces we have? N. And how many options we have for each of the spaces? So we write it like this: number of spaces, this is n, and number of options per space, this is 2. So how many total number of options we can have? Number of options per space to the power of number of spaces. So therefore total options is 2 to the power of n. So by this we can conclude that 2 to the n is the cardinality. Cardinality is just the number of elements. Cardinality of power set of S. Now let's go back to our first example and see whether this is satisfied or not. Now we have here 3 elements in S. So 2 to the 3 is 8. So in this case we have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 elements here. So you can actually plug and play with many sets, and you can see that this formula is always satisfied. Okay, so this is very important in set theory, that you should know the power set of a set and its cardinality. The common mistakes that students make is that they forget the empty set or null set. Okay, so empty set is element in which none of the elements of S is present. So this means that this is 0 for this guy, 0 for this guy, and 0 for this guy. Okay, so if you want a number for the empty set, it's just 0 and zeros here. Okay, so this is about the power sets and their cardinalities. Hope it was easily understandable for you, and hope you like the video.